ChainGPT is one of the most promising AI crypto coins in the whole space. In this video I will talk about ChainGPT and share my price prediction for the long term and also for the short term. Before we are starting, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I will share there daily updates on coins like Bitcoin, ChainGPT and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So guys, ChainGPT is right now on place 423 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $107 million. It's a very promising AI coin and we saw this massive bullish increase in this year to the top of 2024. I think fundamentally it's an amazing project and we are still not listed on very big exchanges. Of course, we have some big exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, BitGet or BingX. And if you want to buy ChainGPT, you can do this on BingX. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,000 trading bonus. You will find the link in the description. But we are still not listed on Binance or other bigger exchanges. So we still have a lot of potential to the upside at this project. And this project has just a market cap of $100 million. So we had a lot of potential to the upside. And if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see that we saw this massive bullish price increase. From the down to the top, we saw a move about 1,500%. And after this new all-time high right here at nearly 55 cents, we then saw this massive correction to the downside. Of course, this correction was after the AI hype and as Bitcoin was also going to the downside. And right now we are at this very interesting area. Because on the one hand, we had this last high right here, which is now retested multiple times. And as you can see, we first saw this massive bearish candles. And right now we are consolidating in this area. So the chance that we could build a bottom and see even higher prices is there. And on the daily time frame, we can again see that we are retesting this last high right here for the third time. And I think the chance is now high that we could see even higher prices. Of course, we first have to break this last high. Because from this high, we saw this move to the downside, we made a lower low. So now it's technically important that we are breaking this last high right here at 31 cents. And if we are breaking this high to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that we can see even higher prices because we are on a bullish order flow again on the daily time frame. And as well, if we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high. And you can see that we are right now between the 0.618 and 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. And of course, the chance is really high that we're finding some support in this retracement area. And today I bought some coins for ChainGPT with my signal group. So if you want to copy my leverage short-term trades and my long-term spot signals, then join my exclusive signal group. It's the second link in the description. So again, I think right now is a great chance to get into potential long trades. And for the long term, I'm really bullish on ChainGPT. I think it's one of the most promising AI crypto coins in the whole space, and the AI sector is also very promising. And if we would just compare the market cap right now of ChainGPT to Render right now, we would then have a price target of $8.32 and a 36x potential. And I think this is very realistic for the cycle. So if ChainGPT will reach a potential market cap of nearly around $4 billion, then we would have a potential of 36x. And I think the chance is also high that we could see even higher prices, but I think this is a really realistic one. But to reach this potential highs, we now have to see even higher prices and first break the 31 cents. And if we're breaking this ones, then the next potential interesting price target is this last all-time high right here at 55 cents. And if we're having the bottom right now here at this prices, then these are the next very interesting price targets. If we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of 77 cents. And if we have a look at 2.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1.13. And just from the prices right now to this higher potential, we would have potential over 400%. And I think this is a really realistic price target in the near future. Especially their icons are right now going to the upside again. But I think that we will see a 10x to 15x for the whole market cap. And I could imagine that ChainGPT is better than this larger project in the long term. And in 5 days, on the 22nd of May, we have the Nvidia earnings date. And if the Nvidia earnings are great again, then the chance is very high that the AI coins will also explode to the upside. So this could be a very interesting booster for the next time. So all in all, I'm really bullish on ChainGPT for the long term and also for the short term. We are right now seeing this smaller retracements. And if we are breaking this last high right here to the upside, then the chance is extremely high that we can see even higher prices. And for the long term, I'm very bullish and think we have a lot of potential for ChainGPT. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.